Your 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX 3.7-liter V6 engine needs clean air to run efficiently. The air filter prevents dirt and debris from entering the engine. A clogged filter can reduce horsepower by up to 10% and increase fuel consumption. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that improves performance and saves money. This video guides you through the process. The air filter housing on the 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX 3.7 V6 is typically located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Look for a black plastic box in this area. It may have a few clips or screws holding it together. Removing the engine cover, if equipped, may be required for easy access. For changing the air filter on your 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX 3.7-liter V6, you'll need a few basic tools. First, a Phillips head screwdriver to release any clips or screws on the filter housing. Next, sheet metal pliers, useful if there are clamps securing the housing. You'll also need a new air filter, specifically Ford part number FA1759 or equivalent like Fram CAU433. Finally, consider wearing nitrile gloves to keep your hands clean during the process. First, ensure the engine is off and cool. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool completely to avoid burns or injury. Open the hood and locate the filter housing. The air filter housing is a black plastic box on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Unclip or unscrew the housing lid. The lid is typically secured with two clips on top that can be pressed to release. Carefully remove the old filter, noting its orientation. An arrow on the filter indicates the direction of airflow toward the engine. Clean any debris inside the housing. Use a vacuum or compressed air to remove dirt and ensure a clean environment for the new filter. Insert the new air filter into the housing, ensuring it matches the orientation of the old filter. Double-check that it sits properly within the housing. Replace the lid and secure it with the clips or screws. Make sure the housing is sealed tightly to prevent unfiltered air from entering the engine. After installing the new filter, start the engine and listen for any unusual noises or hissing sounds around the air filter housing, which could indicate a leak. While not always necessary, an OBD2 scanner can be used to check for any error codes related to air intake or fuel mixture. Take it for a test drive. Experts recommend changing your engine air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or every 12 months, whichever comes first. Driving in dusty conditions may require more frequent changes to maintain proper filtration. Regular air filter replacement ensures optimal engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and reduces harmful emissions from your vehicle. If you encounter difficulty removing the old filter, double-check the clips or screws on the housing. For issues with sealing the housing, ensure the filter is seated correctly and all clips are secure. If you're unsure about the filter size or type, verify it's compatible with your MKX. Use Ford part number FA759 or equivalents like Fram CA10433. For persistent issues that you can't resolve, consult a professional mechanic. Additional tips: always wear gloves to avoid oil residue on your hands. If the housing is dirty, clean it with compressed air before installing the new filter. The procedure typically takes 10 to 15 minutes and costs about $10 to $20 for a new filter. Change your air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first. Regular changes improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and help prevent costly engine repairs. Remember, a clean air filter contributes to a healthy and efficient engine performance.